DIY.
We got a sink and a drill. Look like this is
See,
going.
are we snaking that out?
Oh no!
Ooh, oh wow, what a fat hand. Can't stick it in, huh?
Get in there, huh?
What the-
Oh, but we need to clean it. Oh, he just put the little
That's-
scrubbing wand, almost a toilet brush, on the faucet.
I like
extension.
this.
That's actually pretty neat.
I like this.
I would use this.
I'd use the hell out of this. This is a great DIY. DIY, don't they sell this?
This was pretty DIYs of them to do.
Ooh, DIY.
That's it for me
This
today.
is pretty sweet. I mean,
Yeah, I think that works.
I would use this. You want that deep basin sink to do
Probably,
this, otherwise
yeah.
you'll make a
Yeah,
mess. But
very true.
Big
Yeah.
mess.
that's a good one.
And single. You don't
Yeah.
want the double
Yeah,
split.
you want
Yeah.
the big basin.
Do
And
the
you
double
wanna keep it
splits.
down if you hold it
One
up.
basin in my sink, please.
I like double
Just
basins.
get rid of the double basin.
Why?
No, there's no room.
Do you ever really use
Yeah.
it?
Always.
Really?
Yeah.
to
I'll
stack dirty
I'll
dishes
fill up
in?
a soak, toss another soak, and then I wipe them all off. And
That's a
rinse them
waste.
out.
That's a waste.
It's so you can leave them dirty overnight.
Yeah. That's why
couple
you're
days.
sloppy. He's
Yeah, that's
sharing off with this
disgusting.
guy.
That's disgusting.
Gross.